So we are doing number of the day 153 from our May packet. So we'll go ahead and get started with the number 153. There's one group of 105 tens and 3 ones. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Down and around frog jump with a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Around, down and around, whoops. Down and around, frog jump with a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Down and around, frog jump with a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Remember, don't go ahead. Do it with me so you're forming your numbers the correct way. And starting at the top. So we are going to sing the number 1 song today and the number 3 song, okay? But look at where we're starting to write. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. O-N-E, keep moving. O-N-E, keep moving. We'll all spell number 1. The letter E is the only letter that does not start on a line. Okay, the H starts on the hat line, big line down, back to the midline, and over. H, U, down, up, down. Okay, notice that every letter has a starting point. Okay, the N does not start down here. No rainbow ends. We start at the midline, down, up, bump, over. N, D. There's a C in the letter D. R starts at the belt line, little line down, up, bump over. R. E, little line across, little C. D, make a C up to the top and down. There's a C in the D. 50 starts. This one, actually, the E and the F are the letters that start kind of funny. It starts like a rainbow, okay? And a straight line down, F, little line across, oops, little line across, I, F, T is a big line down and little line across, and Y, little line down, frog jump, big line down. 50, 2 syllables or more, 50, ending in the Y sound makes the E sound at the end of the letter, at the end of the word, 53. Now we're going to spell and sing the number 3. T-H-R-E-E, can you spell the number 3? Can you jump to 3? Can you slap your knee? T-H-R-E-E, can you spell the number 3? T-H-R-E-E. So there's 53. If we're going to write the number 53, 153 and expand it from, we write what we hear, right? 153. So we hear 3 different numbers, right? We hear 100 plus 50 plus 3. And to write it the regular way, we just write it like this, 153. Okay? All right, here it says count by ones to 20. I think that's easy peasy for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're going to try to do it on our own. That one's too easy. We're going to move over here where it says draw a picture to solve the problem. Sue brought her mom 2 flowers and James bought his mom 5 flowers. How many flowers did they buy all together? So we have to think. He bought 2 flowers, right? 1, 2. And then he bought 5 more flowers, okay? James bought 5 more flowers. So 1, 2, 3, new line, 4, 4, 5. So if we have 5 more than 2, how many do we have all together? We're putting those 2 groups together, right? We have 2 as a part, and we have 5 as a part. 2 plus 5 equals 7, right? We have a part plus a part that totals the whole. Okay, let's look at place value. If we have 153, that means we have one group of 100, right? We have 5 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and we have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what's the value of 5 tens? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the value of those 5 tens is 50. And how many ones do we have? 3 ones. So if we're going to do 10 more than 153, that means we're going to add one more group of 10. So our hundreds are still the same, right? Now we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. Let's count 6 tens by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have 106 tens and 3 ones. Good. So now we're going to look for 10 less than 153. If I'm going to do less, that means I'm going to take away a group of 10. So if I have 153 and I have 1 10 less, I still have one group of 100, 4 tens, and 3 ones. All right, let's sing our coin song. Maybe. Here we go. A penny equals 1 cent. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. And that makes sense to me. A quarter equals 25 cents. A $50 equals 50 cents. A dollar equals 100 cents. And that makes sense to me. So here it says, do you have enough money to buy the item? So here is a bear, and we want to know if we have enough money with all of these coins over here to buy this bear for 45 cents. Well, let's see. What is this coin? You remember? A quarter equals 25 cents. Oop, there's another quarter. A quarter equals 25 cents. What is this? A dime equals 10 cents. And another dime equals 10 cents. And what I like to do to figure out how much money I have altogether, I like to make my tens and ones, okay? So I'm going to change my color of my pen back to blue. If I have 25 cents, that means I have 2 groups of 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've drawn that out. Now I'm going to do this one. I'm going to change my color again to represent a different quarter. So here's my quarter, and I'm going to draw 1 10, 2 tens, and 5 more ones. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I made a group of 10 with those pennies. Check. Now I'm going to go and change my color again. So here I have a dime. A dime equals 10 cents. So I'm going to draw a 10 for that dime and check it off. Then I'm going to change my color again. And this is another dime. So this dime is another 10, right? Check. So now I'm going to count all of my money. Let's count. These are what? It has a value of 1, one group of 10. So 10 each. Okay, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is another group of 10, 70. So I have 70 cents in coins. So if I have 70 cents, is 70 a greater number? Is that a bigger number than 45? Yes, it is. And because it is a greater number than 45 cents, that means I do have enough money to buy the bear. Okay, we're going to do the last part. We're looking at even and odd. Remember that every time we're looking at even and odd, we have to see the ones place, 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, and look to see if there are partners, right? So I'm going to grab a different color to circle my pairs. Let's see. There's a partner. Whoops. And no partner. So what is my number? It is odd. Here's the odd man out. He does not have a friend, right? Okay. So because he's odd, okay, and doesn't have a friend, we cannot call him even. Now we're going to look at number 153. What comes before it? We're going to look at 153 and what comes after it. Okay. So what number comes before 153? 152. And what comes after 153? 154. Okay. So the number 153 is between the numbers 152 and 154. All right. Remember, boys and girls, that if I'm going too slow, okay, you can speed up the volume or the speed on your video and watch it a little faster. Or if I'm going too fast, you can pause it and you can also slow it down, okay? So we are done for the morning. Thank you for counting with us. Let's count backwards from 10, 10, 9, 8.